Hey guys, so let's see our next question from again laws of motion. So there's a bullet which leaves a rifle. Okay, so suppose this is the muzzle. Okay, and there's a bullet, and this is going to be out. Okay, maybe there's a target. Okay, it's a shooting practice and we are hitting it. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is a muzzle. Okay, and the bullet leaves the rifle with muzzle velocity of 1042 meter per second. Okay, so muzzle velocity, so this is moving with the velocity. Earlier it was stationary, right? So initial velocity of that bullet is 0 meter per second, right? And then it leaves, okay, with a velocity 1042 meter per second. So the bullet is leaving the rifle with the velocity 1042 meter per second. It is accelerated, right? It's accelerated to the barrel of the rifle. Okay, the bullet moves a distance of 1.680 meter. Okay, so bullet is moving, okay, covering a distance of 1.680 meter. Okay, and we have to determine the acceleration. This is S, right? We have to determine the acceleration of the bullet. Okay, so to find his acceleration. Okay, so question is, initial velocity of the bullet is 0 meter per second. It is moving with the velocity v. Okay, and when it is moving, it covers a distance 1.68 meter. Okay, and we have to determine the acceleration and let that acceleration be uniform. Okay, so typical question. So how to do it? We have all these information. Okay, we want acceleration, we have s. Okay, so let's use the formula 2as equals to v square minus u square. Okay, so what is a is v square minus u square upon 2s. So v square 1042 square minus 0 square upon 2 times the distance 1.68. okay, so 1042 twice 0 con 2 into 1.68. okay, so we have to use calculator here. What comes is 323,144 something. Okay, 0.047 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. Okay, we can cut it by 2 to reduce it, right? 2 into 521, then 0.84 into 521, so like this, 0.84 to 521, and then we can calculate. Okay, and then you'll get this, right? It's a very high acceleration, right? Okay, and because of this acceleration, the bullet gets that particular kinetic energy, right? Because of it can pass through anything, right? Okay, so hope you got it. The question was easy. So there was a calculation part, okay, which is little bit tough. Okay, so bye bye.